As you progress through the stimulation phase of your treatment, your doctor will continue to monitor your follicle size with transvaginal scans. They're checking to see if the eggs are maturing and growing inside the follicles. When the follicles reach approximately 17 to 20 millimetres in size and the doctor is satisfied that the follicles are an adequate size, you'll be ready for your egg collection and you'll be contacted with your trigger injection time and theatre time for the egg collection operation. The purpose of the trigger injection is to ensure that the eggs reach their final stages of maturation and loosen from the follicle walls at the exact time the procedure is being undertaken. It's absolutely vital that you take this trigger injection exactly when your nurse tells you to, as the timing of this process is crucial. If you administer your trigger injection too early, then you may ovulate before the operation. If you administer your trigger injection too late, then your eggs may not be mature enough. Your trigger injection can be self-administered, just like your FSH medication, subcutaneously into your abdomen. Your egg collection will be scheduled 36 to 38 hours after the trigger injection. Your fertility nurse will provide you with the exact time of this procedure when they call you with your trigger time.